Filing your LLC paperwork used to mean paying a lawyer by the hour. Today you can do it online in minutes, but choosing the right service is where people usually get stuck. While some platforms just file your forms and move on, others want to manage your compliance, your bookkeeping, and the branding for the long run. Right now, Tailor Brands and ZenBusiness are two of the biggest players in this space. They both get your LLC official, but under the hood, they are built for completely different types of people. We're going to see which one actually makes sense for the business that you are trying to build. And a quick heads up, before we dive in, I have affiliate links in the description for both of these companies. And if you do use them, I earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which really does help support the channel. Tailor Brands, they are more than just an LLC service. Even though the name might make you think otherwise, Tailor Brands, it's not just about making logos these days. So over the last few years, it's really turned into a complete platform that takes you from a raw idea to a running business without forcing you to bounce around between a bunch of different services. Now, their whole approach, it makes a lot of sense. Instead of waiting until you actually file your LLC, they get involved much earlier. They push you to think through your idea, check out the competition, and figure out your target customers, and sort out your branding before any legal paperwork ever gets touched. Once you are actually ready to move forward, the setup handles itself. You just type in your business name and answer a few quick questions. They check to see if the name is open. They pull together all of the required state forms and file everything directly with the right agencies for you. A really cool part of all this is their AI assistant, Navi. It's not just standard customer service. Navi actually sticks around after your business is officially set up to keep an eye on compliance deadlines, manage your invoices, and suggest what you should focus on next as things do grow. It feels a lot more like having a digital partner than just using another piece of software. But what really sets them apart is what happens after the legal stuff is done. They still go heavy on the branding side. The AI can whip up tons of logo options based on what you like, and once you pick one, it automatically builds your high-res file, social graphics, and website assets. And if you jump on their elite plan, they do throw in a website builder, a free domain for a year, digital business cards, and social media tools so you can launch them online almost instantly. It is a great setup if you want to build a real brand from day one, rather than just filing some basic paperwork. If Tailor Brands is all about getting your business off of the ground and building a brand, well, ZenBusiness goes a completely different route. Their main focus is keeping your company legally compliant long after your LLC gets approved. And that's really what they are known for. Since they started, ZenBusiness has helped set up over 900,000 companies, mostly because they make the legal side of things very simple instead of just filing some paperwork and disappearing. Starting out feels a lot like Tailor Brands. You pick your business setup, and then you search for a name, and they handle filing the official paperwork with the state. But once you are up and running, ZenBusiness essentially turns into a long-term compliance partner. The star of the show here is their AI assistant, Velo. It's not just some basic chatbot. Velo actually sticks around to help you plan, answer questions, remind you about state deadlines, estimate costs, and point you in the right direction as your business grows. And where they really stand out is their worry-free compliance service. Even if you just go with their starter plan, they still offer it included free for the first year. And if you have never run an LLC before, it is easy to assume you are done once the initial paperwork is filed. But in reality, most states require annual reports, amendments, and an active registered agent to keep you in good standing. Missing those deadlines can lead to late fees or even losing your LLC completely. Now, ZenBusiness stops that from happening. Depending on your setup, they track your deadlines, file your reports, handle state changes, and even offer financial guarantees if they happen to miss a required filing. Their registered agent service is another big plus. Instead of plastering your home address all over public records, ZenBusiness accepts legal and government mail for you. They scan the documents and drop them right into your dashboard, which keeps your personal info private while making sure you never miss a vital notice. They also offer extras like operating agreement templates, bookkeeping through MoneyPro, business banking, a website builder, and ongoing business consulting on their higher-end plans. All in all, ZenBusiness feels less like a marketing tool and much more like an operations hub. It is perfect if you want someone watching your legal blind spots so you can spend your time actually running your business. And if you do want to give Tailor Brands or ZenBusiness a try, then you can check out the affiliate links in the description below. Using these earns us a commission at no extra cost to you, which really does help support the channel. All right, let's talk about price. Both of them offer a $0 setup plan, but let's be real about what that actually means. You still have to pay your state's filing fee. The $0 tag only covers the platform's service fee, not the government cost. Tailor Brands breaks things down into 3 main plans. The free light plan is $0 and covers your basic LLC. Step up to the essential for about $200 a year and you get compliance alerts, annual filing help, funding resources, and an operating agreement. The top tier elite plan is roughly $250 a year and goes all out, throwing in logo creation, a website builder, social media tools, a free domain for the first year, and extra branding tools. Just keep an eye on optional subscriptions. For instance, Tailor Brands gives you a free trial for bookkeeping and invoicing, but if you do not cancel, it rolls right into a monthly charge. It is completely normal, just good to know that up front. ZenBusiness runs a similar setup with their starter, their pro, and their premium plans. The starter plan is $0 and they actually include worry-free compliance free for the first year. The pro plan runs at about $200 a year and tacks on an EIN, an operating agreement, a logo builder, and keeps those compliance services rolling. Premium, that sits right around $400 a year and wraps it all together by adding a registered agent, unlimited compliance changes, business consults, and extra legal protections. They do offer separate add-ons like a website builder, bookkeeping, and business banking, with subscription prices clearly listed after the trial ends. Now, when it comes to value, it really just depends on your goals. If you want to launch a sharp-looking business fast with your branding, your logo, and your website ready to go, well then Tailor Brands loads a lot into their upper tier plans. But if your main focus is staying legally compliant, handling state filings, and protecting your LLC over the long run, well, ZenBusiness puts way more focus on the operational side. After looking at both, it is pretty clear that one is not flat out better than the other. They're just built for completely different types of business owners. If your main goal is to launch your business with a sharp professional brand right from day one, Tailor Brands is a great option. It combines your LLC setup with AI logo design, a website builder, branding tools, invoicing, and ongoing business help all in one spot. Instead of trying to piece together 5 or 6 different software services on your own, you can get pretty much everything you need under one roof. It is especially useful for freelancers, creators, consultants, online stores, or anyone whose web presence is a huge part of how they make money. Now, on the flip side, ZenBusiness focuses on something very different: long-term business management. Their real strength isn't flashy marketing or design tools. It is making sure your business stays legal and compliant year after year. With their Velo AI, their worry-free compliance setup, registered agent services, annual report filing, and ongoing legal support, they do create a safety net. And this is perfect for founders who want as much of that annoying admin work taken off of their plate as possible. It is also a great fit if you plan to scale up. You bring on business partners, or you operate in an industry where staying on top of the state rules is very critical. The good news is that both of these companies do way more than just file your initial LLC paperwork. They have grown into full business hubs that keep backing you up long after you are officially incorporated. The right move? Well, it just depends on what you need right now. If you are excited about building a cool brand and getting online fast, well, Tailor Brands is probably your best bet. But if you just want peace of mind, automated compliance, and solid operational support, well, ZenBusiness is going to be really hard to beat. That wraps up today's video. I hope this breakdown helps you make the right choice for your company. If it did, please hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews just like this. Do not forget to check out the affiliate links below if you do want to try either of these out. It's not going to cost you anything extra, but we do get a small commission off of it, which helps us keep making videos like this. Also, if you are a brand and you do like to work with us or sponsor a future video, you can reach out using the email in the description below. If you have any questions or you need a specific recommendation based on your experience, drop a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Finally, guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.